Hello everyone, and welcome to a new assembly guide. Today we will assemble the Anti-Stress Lightbox project present on the Creality Cloud site. Link project download in description. Let's see everything we will need. 1. Anti-Stress Lightbox project. 2. Soldering iron. 3. Silicone wire, 2 rolls, red and black 28 gauge. 4. RGB LED strip 5 volt. 5. ESP32 board 30 pins. 6. Micro switch on off button. Battery case 18652 PCs. 8. Super glue. 9. M3 threaded insert. 10. M2 4mm screws. 2 PCs at 11. 1.5 mm screwdriver. All the products used in this project can be purchased from the links in the file called Links Included in the Project. Let's get started. First, we insert the battery boxes into their place. Second, cut the LED strip to size. For simplicity, I'll give you the exact measurements. Cut 2 35cm pieces for the light wall and 1 11cm piece for the light buttons. Third, glue ESP32 board support on lower body. Fourth, tin the VIN, GND and RX2 pins on the ESP32 board. Fifth, tin the pins of the micro switch button and insert it into the lower body. Sixth fix, the ESP32 card above its support.